Light is a beacon of direction through the darkness for humankind. It reveals the form and vitality of a city at night. In order to develop HDL into a Chinese lighting enterprise that would lead its peers since the startup phase, we have never ceased to chase the light. HDL, a company oriented towards smart lighting, is committed to the innovative development of a safe, stable, intelligent control system. With the HDL intelligent control system, equipment is self-controlled and homes are smarter. For more than 30 years, HDL has been a beacon throughout the world. We provide entire house intelligent solutions for various types of houses and buildings. In come home or leave home mode, a smart home can meet all your needs. We've achieved stable, reliable interconnections among even the most sophisticated intelligent combinations by breaking the barrier to interconnection among different brands of equipment. We're the provider of innovative and stable intelligent control systems for numerous international landmarks. When these landmarks come under the spotlight of the entire world, HDL always provides rock-solid support. We've helped numerous high-end hotels achieve intelligent transformation. A combination of technological and user-friendly services dramatically enhances the brand value in each of these hotels. We develop technologies and share them with the entire industry, in search for win-win development through bilateral empowerment within the industry. When the city is illuminated, HDL, a leading Chinese intelligent lighting enterprise, witnesses its vast civilization shining amid that light. We develop intelligent products and create better life experiences in order to contribute to the new, low-carbon life for humankind. More stable, intelligent technologies with fully accommodating your needs. HDL.